Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DevPHP. Today we are going to learn what is the cookies in the PHP. So below are the few points I am going to explain you in a detail. What is the cookie? What is the use of cookies? What type of data we can store in a cookies? Limitation of cookies. So let's start with the first point. What is cookies? Cookies is the small information which is stored at the client side in the browser. So what is that small information? So suppose I have visited any website. That time they store the my data in the browser to track me. So now move to the second point. What is the use of cookie? So let us start with the real-time example. When we visit any website, that time when we visit any website first time, that time it shows the pop-up message that welcome to our website, and you close that pop-up. Again you visit the second time, that time they don't show the same pop-up to you, because they already store your information that you have already you are the second time visitor of the website, not a first time. So that way they can track the user. Again they can track your behavior, what type of product you like. Suppose you visit any section on the website like jeans pant, then that time when you came second time, they directly show you the jeans related products on the front page. Now move to the third point. What type of data we can store in a cookies? We can store the very limited data, like we can't store the any sensitive data like as password, bank detail, account number, credit card number, because this data is easily available. Anyone can see that data. Limitation of cookies. So I already mentioned that we can store the sensitive data in cookies. There are limitation of storing data. Only 4 KB of data we can store in the cookies. Let's now start with the example how to store the data in cookies. Okay, now move to the PHP code. Now start the PHP tag question mark PHP. To store the cookie value, we need the cookie is always stored in a key and pair value. Suppose I am taking first variable as a cookie underscore name equal to user dollar cookie underscore value is equal to Lauren. Now cookie is set using the function set cookie, which is the PHP function. First we need to store the cookie name. Now store the value of the cookie, dollar cookie underscore value, and third parameter is the time, for how many days or month you want to store that cookie. So we are storing this cookie for the 1 month. So how can we calculate that time? I will show you how to calculate time. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute into 60 into 24. This is my one day cookie time. Now this is my 1 day cookie time. Now I want to store the cookie for 30 days, so I can add 30. If I want to store the cookie only for 15 days, I can add the 15. So I am here storing the cookie data for the 30 days. So guys, before that I want to show you how the cookie we can check at the browser. So I am not storing now cookie, I'm just running this program to show you how the cookie is stored and how to check the cookies. To check cookie, you have to first inspect in your browser, go to the network tab and again refresh it and go to that file. So there is one tab that is a cookie. There are only 2 cookies available right now. Now we are going to store the third cookie, that is our user with the value cookie for the 1 month. So now I have uncommented this and I will run this program. So you can see the user cookie which will be available here. Here you can see the user cookie. The name of the cookie is user and value of the cookie is and its expiry date is the 1 month from the current date, that is the 7 July of 18. So what if I want to delete this cookie? I can also print this cookie using the I can print all the cookies which are available. Now you can see directly those cookies in here. User equal to Lauren. Right. So what? How can I delete those cookies now? If I want to delete those cookies, okay, let's see how can I access that particular cookie. So to access that particular cookie, I have to write the name of the cookie. Lauren. This way you can access the cookie value. Now what if we want to delete this cookie? To delete this cookie, just set the cookie time in the minus. So now look, the cookie is deleted, that's why it's showing that the index user is invalid. If we print this in the array, that we can check this. Look, the user variable is now not available because we have deleted. I can set that variable with the plus sign and now print again. This is available now, and we can also check that here. So guys, I hope you like and understand the video, which is explained in a very simple language and simple way. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.